Hi friends, in the last session we have studied about blocks, PLSQL basic unit, two type of blocks, named blocks and anonymous blocks, and now we'll do the practice session for the blocks. For that we need to create a few tables in the database. You can see I'm using Toad and I'm already connected to this tel comma user which we have created in our previous sessions. So if you want to check how many users you have, go to session tab, then click on new connection. Here you can view all your users. These are the 3 users I have created and I've saved their connections, their database. Localhost 1521 is the port name and then ORCL is the service. We have discussed this earlier also. So this is the version where we have in which we are working. So we'll create a few tables before on which we will write the PLSQL blocks. For that you can create any of your dummy tables, or I have created a few. You can write same tables in your database also, or you can write by yourself also, but let's see what I've created first. So I've created a table that is department master, and with the department code as varchar2, department name, HOD, last updated by and last updated date as 4 columns here. Then a unique index on the department master on the column department code. That means department code is the unique one, and there would be no duplicacy for the department code. And then the primary key also on the department code using the same index. So let's execute this command first. I'll select all these 3 and then open in the new tab, Control C. Then I'll execute all these commands directly by Control A. Then F5 is a shortcut for executing this command. Insufficient privileges. So it's showing insufficient privileges. We need to give the grant privileges to the user. I'll give the grant privileges to them, then I'll execute these tables. So create these tables by yourself also, or do the practice session on creating the tables. So I've created 2. Another table is the department employee master table. So this is having many columns. You can read employee code, employee prefix, first name, last name, and then the department code. So I've added a comment over here also, that the M prefix, comment on the column M prefix, that is prefix could be MR, MS and MRS, Mr., Miss and Mrs. So again I've created index on the employee master table with the AMP code. Then primary key on the AMP code using the index IDX underscore AMP code on the same column AMP code. So this is the primary key, and as well as I've indexed that column. We'll study the indexes in the further lectures. So, and then I've created a foreign key on this on the employee master table with the reference for foreign key on the department code of the employee master table, reference to the department master table, which I have created in the previous previously we have created the same table, department master. Then this means that the department code values in the department master table would be inherited into the employee master department code. That means all the values which exist in department master table for the department code would only be present in the employee master department code. It's not like that department code number, let's suppose there is a number department code number 100. It's not present in the department master table, but we want to insert in the employee master table, then it will throw me an error that the foreign key is not working. So create the tables for using it further, and I'll give the grant for creating the tables and views to my session. I'll show you how to give the grants also. Then we'll carry forward with the next session. Thanks you.